peel and stick pink finger tiles from Clever Mosaics are a fun and easy way to add a pop of color to any space. The vinyl tiles have a textured 3D effect that mimics real marble mosaic, but installation is mess-free with the self-adhesive backing. Simply peel off the paper backing and press the tiles onto any smooth, clean surface. Use them to create a backsplash in your kitchen or bathroom, or decorate an accent wall in a bedroom or living room. The pink vinyl tile adds warmth and femininity wherever it's used. It is 0.1 inch thick, lightweight, waterproof, oil-proof, flexible, and can conform to curved surfaces. So if you're looking for a quick, easy update, check out these peel and stick pink finger tiles from Clever Mosaics and add a unique mosaic design in minutes. Visit clevermosaics.com to browse more designs. For any questions or wholesale inquiries, feel free to mail us at sales@clevermosaics.com. Our team is happy to help you.